Hi everyone, welcome to this short video on solving and graphing inequalities. Please take out your math notebook and give yourself the title that you see up top and jot down these 3 steps. Okay, we're going to start with example 1. Please write this example down in your notes. And we are going to isolate our variable just like we normally would when we are solving an equation. So my first inverse operation is going to be to subtract 2 on both sides, canceling out my 2's, which leaves me with 5x is less than or equal to 15. Next, we will divide both sides by 5, which gives me the solution x is less than or equal to 3. As you learned yesterday, a less than or equal to will require a closed circle on positive 3. And then we want to shade the region of the number line that indicates all of the values less than that as well. We can then check this solution by picking any value that is less than or equal to 3 and substituting it into our original equation to verify if it works. I'm going to pick the value 0 because 0 is always easy to substitute in. So I'm going to check 0. 5 times 0 plus 2 is less than or equal to 17. 0 plus 2 is 2, and 2 is in fact less than or equal to 17. So I know that my solution will work. All right, let's go ahead and look at another example. This time you'll notice that our variable x is on the right-hand side of our inequality. That really shouldn't make no difference, so we're going to go ahead and isolate that x. First, we'll subtract 6 on both sides. 21 is less than or equal to 7x. The 6's cancel out. Divide both sides by 7, which gives me 3 is less than or equal to x. Now, it's important to note that 3 is less than or equal to x is the same as x is greater than or equal to 3. So we can write that solution either way. I'm going to go ahead and put a closed circle on positive 3 and highlight all of the variables that are greater than 3. I'm sorry, not variables, all of the values that are greater than 3. I can quickly check my solution by picking a value that is in fact greater than 3. I'm going to choose 6. I will substitute that into my original inequality. That gives me 27 is less than or equal to 42 plus 6. 27 is less than or equal to 48, which is true. 27 is, in fact, less than 48. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at one more example. Okay, again, we're going to isolate our variable x. Our first inverse operation will be add 3 on both sides, canceling out my 3's, leaving me with negative 2x is greater than negative 2. Next, I'm going to need to divide by negative 2. Now remember, anytime we are dividing by a negative number or multiplying by a negative number in order to solve, that will require us to reverse our inequality. So my negative 2's are going to cancel each other out. My inequality must reverse at this point because of the fact that I divided by a negative, and negative 2 divided by negative 2 gives me positive 1. Okay, that means I need an open circle on positive 1, and I need all of the values shaded that are less than that. So that's this direction. And I'm going to quickly check a solution. In that solution set, I'm going to try negative 2. Which means I'll substitute negative 2 in place of x. So negative 2 times negative 2 minus 3, and I'm hoping that will be greater than negative 5. Okay, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and positive 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is in fact greater than negative 5, so I know my solution set works. All right, thanks everybody, and have a wonderful day.